Good morning, this is Leroy from Workmaster Grinders and Sanders Inc. This morning we're going to be using our sandpaperless system turbo rasp tooling under our machines, the Viper XT, Termite XT and Scarab, to remove paint from a wood deck. As is typical with a deck of this age, it's around 20 years old, we've got some challenges. I've noticed that the paint is flaking off already. There's different heights on the board, so we'll have some uneven surfaces, as well as some damp patches in certain areas of the deck. But as you'll see, the tooling will be able to cope with this and remove the paint and get this deck looking really nice. The Workmaster sandpaperless system consists of this tool, the Turbo Rasp. It is available in 3-inch and 5-inch configurations, which work under the Scarab, the Termite, the Viper and the Raptor models. It's a vacuum brazed tool which is perfect for removing aluminum oxide, epoxies and paints from wood floors. Very easy to install. You just pop on the compression foam, line up the 2 pins with the grommets, give it a quick push and then you'll be good to go. The Viper XT runs on 220 single phase power, which is available from your range or your dryer outlet, or using the Workmaster Quick 220 kit. So we've set the machine up, we've put the tooling under the machine, we've attached a vacuum system to the vacuum port on the left hand side of this machine, and most importantly I've set the machine to its slowest or lowest setting. We're going to see what it's going to do to the floor and then we can speed up accordingly. Like all Workmaster machines, one pull of this handle will get the machine going. One of the advantages of the Workmaster system is that you can get to within 1/8 of an inch to the wall. So all of the areas that you see that we've worked in the corners and are right up against the house, we've been able to do with the same machine. So it eliminates the need to get on your hands and knees and work with a hand grinder. As you can see behind me, I've finished half the deck with the Viper XT. We're going to work the rest of the deck using the Termite XT. One of the advantages of the Termite XT is it's a 110 machine. You can plug it directly into any wall outlet. So we're going to do the same with this one and work the rest of this deck and get it looking as nice as it does over there. So we've finished the main deck area and we're now going to go into the stairs. We're going to be using the Scarab, which has been designed specifically for hard to reach areas, little corners, staircases and things like that. In the same way that we use the Scarab on the stairs to work those hard to reach areas, we can use it to reach these low spots that are on the floor. The technique is not to put too much pressure on the machine. Just allow the tooling itself to work away gradually of the paint that is on the floor. As you'll see, it will easily remove this. Well, as you can see, we've got the deck looking in fantastic condition, thanks to the Workmaster sandpaperless system. For more information, check us out at workmaster.com.